The Red Rock bed tie-down set, designed to fit the 2015 to 2020 Ford F-150s, is a great option for F-150 owners looking to add security and reliable tie-down points to their truck bed for better cargo management. Whether you're hauling equipment, securing gear for an off-road adventure, or just keeping things in place during everyday use, these tie-downs provide extra security that you need. This bed tie-down set is designed to increase your truck's cargo versatility by offering additional anchor points. These bed tie-downs provide strong and stable mounting locations, allowing you to strap down various types of cargo more securely. If you find yourself frequently hauling large items, heavy loads, these tie-downs can help prevent shifting and potential cargo damage to your gear or damage to your truck bed. These tie-downs mount directly to your truck's bed factory locations, making installation easy while maintaining a clean, factory-style appearance. They're also adjustable, angling up and down, allowing you to position them the way you need that best suits your hauling needs. So that definitely helps you get the best position and the tightest straps. Constructed from heavy-duty steel, these tie-downs are built to withstand the rigors of everyday use and heavy hauling. This durable black powder coat finish helps resist rust and corrosion, ensuring long-term durability even in harsh weather conditions in the back of the truck. This means they can handle tough loads without bending or breaking, giving you peace of mind securing your cargo for the long haul. As far as pricing goes, the Red Rock bed tie-down set comes in right around that $100 price range, making it a pretty affordable and functional upgrade, improving your F-150's cargo management and safety. The installation process is going to be straightforward and hassle-free. You can have them installed and ready to use in about 30 minutes of your time. And we're giving this a simple 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. Now, let's see exactly how they go on with an install video from one of our American Trucks customers.
All right, here are the tools that we used. I used the Allen key that came with the set to tighten the bolts down. Prior to that though, I used an M6x1 tap that does not come with the set, with a handle to turn it. In this case, it slides into the handle and it just tightens down just like that. So you have an M6x1 tap and the Allen key that came with the set. Those are the only tools needed, folks. It's pretty straightforward to install. The only thing that they don't include in the installation instructions is that if your bedside does not already have the tie downs, the plates that go here, you have to thread these holes. You have to use a tap, an M6x1 tap, to thread those holes in order to accept the M6 bolts. So we're going to be using an M6 tap like this, threaded on the end. You line it up so that it's straight. In the hole, you start turning to cut those threads in each hole. Once you get it started, you can back it out a couple times just to get the metal shavings out of there. And once you get through the metal and you get it fully threaded, it'll move fairly easily in and out. Before you move on to the next one, I would probably test that one just to make sure you have it the correct size and that you got it far enough in. A little blow to get some of that thread out of there. Just like that. So we should be good there with that one. And you continue on through all 4 holes in all 4 locations. So you have to do this 16 times in the bed. We're just going to get it started. Take a little bit of pressure. Again, this is an M6x1. And you can just unthread it back out of there. Check that one, make sure it's good. It seems to be going easy. It may not have to back it out to get the shavings out. Just check that hole just to make sure it's threaded properly. Good. Last hole for this one. All right, that's all 4 of them now. Moving on to the next step. All right, now that we've threaded the holes for the M6 bolts, we're going to go ahead and place the plate for the tie down to attach to. You're going to use 4 of the 16 M6 bolts that came with the set. Just make sure that you have it placed properly. You want it to look like that when you install it. You just get the bolt started. There's 2 of them. Third one, and the last one. I know you use the Allen key that came with the set to tighten them fully down. We're just using that to get it threaded all the way in. And then we'll turn it to the short side to tighten them down. I would double check after you get done with the last one, just make sure the other ones are still tight. Alright. Okay, so now we're going to demonstrate the installation of the tie down to the plate. Once you get the plate installed, start with your tie down that came with the set, one of them. They're nice because they have the large hole in the middle and one on each, smaller one on each end for hooks. The center one you can use ropes. And again, it's got a keyway here, so we're just going to install the key into the lock. Make sure that that is in a horizontal position to install. You're going to want to turn it in a counterclockwise direction to lock it into place once you get it into the plate. So we're just going to keep it just like that. Install it in the lower section of the plate, slide it up, push the bottom down, and turn it counterclockwise to lock that into place. And that is now locked. Repeat that 3 more times and you have all 4 of them complete.
All right, that's gonna wrap up our review and install of the Red Rock bed tie down set for the 2015 to 2020 Ford F-150s. And for all things F-150, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.